Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Ton from OKX to Tonkeeper. In order to do it, you first need to launch your OKX application and then you need to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. After that, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the deposit option. After that, you just have to select Ton coin and select the Ton network. Then it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get the address, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet and you just have to log in into your Tonkeeper wallet if you haven't already. After that, tap on the receive button in order to get the deposit address. Then copy the address from here, go to the OKX, fill out the form in the address section, paste the address, and then you need to just enter the amount that you want to withdraw from OKX. After that, tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then initiate your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will be able to get your Ton coin from OKX to Tonkeeper. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.